Stampers, Jackie Bolhuis from Zeeland, Michigan. It's almost July 5th. That means my brand new Stamps in the Mail is going to be released. So I thought I would just pop in and give you a quick preview of what this month's Stamps in the Mail is. All the details will be posted on July 5th, so make sure that you check in the description of this video where you can find all of those details. Tell you what, you're going to want to participate this month. So let's flip the camera around and let me show you what I've got in store for you. This month, it's all about the Varied Vases stamp set and the coordinating punch. I love it. It is so fun to play with. There are a lot of little pieces, but they're so easy to stamp with. So we're going to have a fun fold as part of our Stamps in the Mail. This is kind of a fun cut, like I like to call it. And then this bright and cheery card. So we're going to be using the vases in several different ways. Remember, when you participate in my Stamps in the Mail, you get a card kit totally free. And you're going to make 6 cards, 2 each of these. You will also get tutorials for at least 10 other projects, all using the stamp set, probably more than 10. These are a couple I'm going to be sharing as we get into the week of Stamps in the Mail, along with some details about these cards. I think this one's kind of my favorite. And this is just a little bit of what you're going to be seeing with Varied Vases. And when you participate in Stamps in the Mail, you're going to get lots of tutorials along with that free card kit. Don't forget, Stamps in the Mail is available from July 5th through the 10th. It's totally free. You get the card kit to make 6 cards along with at least 10 more tutorials. I'm thinking we're going to be more in the 12 to 15 range on this one. And it's totally free. All you have to do is place an order using the Stamps in the Mail host code, and you're going to get all this stuff. So watch for the information on July 5th with the Stamps in the Mail host code, as well as the items that you're going to want to order if you haven't ordered anyway. Order them already to be able to do this month's projects, because I know you're going to love this month's projects. So if you have any questions, make sure to ask. Otherwise, we'll see you on July 5th with all the final details on this month's Stamps in the Mail.